Damn, I love you, Hope Dog. Spectra. Pick your parallel number 120. Thank you. Thank you. You know, it's tough, Hope, because a lot of people don't, they don't like the way I break. They don't like me as a breaker, They think my excitement is annoying, but to each their own, right? I just know that, honestly, with the millions of sports cards that are shown in breaking and the amount of cards that are, honestly, that don't hold much value, don't really hold even much PC value, when you hit big cards, it's just, it's rare enough that if you're not getting excited, I almost feel like there's something wrong with you. You know what I mean? Unless you don't really break much. But if you break as much as us Blez breakers break, we see a lot of crappy cards. So when you hit big ones, we're excited like you would be if you were opening your own box. You know what I mean? You're happy to hit. It's hard for people to understand. They see these videos on Facebook or on Instagram, and they're just like, these guys are clowns. Act like you've been there before. It's like, what? Act like I'm dead? Act like you've been there before. What, you want me to act like I'm dead? I hit a guy a $10,000 card. You want me not to care? Like, everything is all hits are like situational, They really are. And you never know what the situation is when you're seeing these social media videos, right? A guy could be getting tortured and he hasn't gotten a good hit and he's like 5 to 10K in. And then on his the last card of the break, he hits a freaking $5,000, $6,000 card. You're going to be excited for that person. It's all situational, If I hit a $500 card and I'm screaming, you know why I'm screaming? Because most likely somebody made a $25 investment into it. You know what? If I buy into something for $25 and I get $500 back, I'm going to be pretty damn excited too. It's not about you know what I mean? It's a situation. So it's not a $50,000 card, it's worth $500. But if I paid $25, that's pretty good return. 20%, 20x, I'll take it. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean. You guys get it. Exactly, PH. But, is what it is. But the bottom line is Zope Dog, I thank you for saying that. It gives me a reason to keep doing this. Sometimes you wonder. No redemptions in this break. How about that? Good luck, boys. Wait, nope, there's one. There's one. Sorry, there's one. That should be one. Yep, one. That should be the only one. All right, Tyler Scott for PH. 50. Die cut. That should be Paulie Kim. Cooper Cup. Brilliance. D. Henry. Doom Saloon. Okay, and our one PH gets the redemption. Neon green on-card spectral auto of wide receiver Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. So that is PH in the spectral spot. That should be our one and only redemption for this break. Ooh. Yeah. Nice patch. Not nice player. Silver for PH, Jaron Hall. Pandora look base. Bijan to 30. To 15. Ooh, Big Pete. How about that for patches? Justin Herbert. I'm sorry, guys. This product makes me geek out. I love it. PH. RPA. Chase Brown. That's a 99 true. Oh, we got a short print. Peyton Manning silver for PH. Building blocks. Who's got building? D cards. Zay Money. And PH, you're about to get a really nice RPA. PH, you're about to get a really nice RPA. To 75. 3-color patch. Celestial RPA. Bijan. Nice piece, brother. Short print. Putting in the work. Stud receiver for the Detroit Lions. Amon-Ra St. Brown is the main character in his own movie. Nice piece. Gronk for PH. Yeah, playing as himself. Tank Bigsby to the 60 base spot. Oh! Maybe I should look at the numbering first. Uh-oh. Sorry, maybe I should look at the numbering first. Look at this. We got a nebula. Oh boy. Look at that piece. Rising rookie spot. Smooth brain. What a night. Woof. Woof. If you're a Broncos fan, damn. Damn. Sheesh. Sheesh, is that nasty. Oof. How good's this break? Next era. Everybody seems to be getting a piece. PH, Quentin Johnston. Veteran signature. Ope Dog. Bobby Wagner. That's only one box. And that's why I love Spectra. That's what I call value. What's up, Brian? Silver for PH. Aaron Rodgers. All right, low die cut. Rookie. Payne Durham. I don't know which spot. I forget which spot this goes to 20. A-Bear. Crush spot. Michael Perez. Radiant RPA for PH. Not a good player. Clayton Tune, but it's low. That's the 25. He is now the third quarterback in Arizona behind Desmond Ridder and Kyler Murray. I believe. I think he's the third, right? They're keeping him as the third. Oh, shnikes. No, 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 no. That could be huge. That could be a huge card. I'll look at it at the end. That could be big. Darius Davis to 30. Jalen Carter monumental for PH. Ah, there it is. Ope Dog. Opie. You got your hit. Meta aspiring RPA of the number one receiver drafted in 2023 out of The Ohio State, Jax Smith-Jigba. It's the 10. I'm sorry, it's a meta to 10. I thought it was 25. It's the different meta. That's gross. Nice piece, Opie. At a baby. I love it when everybody hits. Now, I have to figure out who gets this hit. That's a beautiful RPA. That's a bit. God, when Spectra is on its game, there's like nothing like it. I need. Oh my God, how low is this? How low? Oh my, massive. Who gets this? I have to figure this out before I show it. Who the hell gets this card? There it is. Holy shnikes. Paulie Kim just hit a very big card. Spectacular to 8 of Stroud. Baby. Wow. That's a sick piece. That's a nice card. Woof. Woof. Paulie, you got there. Good to see you, buddy. That'll beat the sort. I don't care that it's an insert. Doesn't matter. There's only 8 of these. That's gonna sell. You need a checklist to grade this to PSA? Huh? We got one for you. Nice piece. Hell of a break. We're going to run this back again. D. Montgomery for PH. This goes to PH as well. Trey Tucker, 75, silver. Fine Wine, rising rookie. Veteran signature, Ope Dog. Linebacker Pat Swilling for the Saints to 199. Last pack. Great break. Double H. Celestial Base. Deontay Banks to 99. Ooh. Antonio Gates to 25. Dang. Doom Saloon. Max Impact. Nice piece. How good has this break been? And we're going to end it off with a Radiant for PH. Radiant RPA Supernova. Sean Clifford. Really nice break. Nice hit, Paul. Obvious run back. That was nasty. That was nasty. Recapping. Bijan. Zay building. This is where it gets really good. 25, Antonio Gates. 15, Justin Herbert. That's ridiculous. Nebula to 2 of Marvin Mims. Quentin Johnston on card. Chase Brown RPA. Short print main character Amon. Bijan Robinson RPA. Jack Smith Jigba RPA. CJ Stroud Spectacular insert to 8. Nice, nice, nice. Nice break.